Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville and we're able to fix the leaking and the pressure problem. So pretty much what we did is we went into the boiler and replaced all the O-rings in there. And while we were there, it was still leaking, and under a little inspection there was a hole in one of the hoses that goes from the boiler to the group head. So we replaced that and it's working all good. So we're going to test a single shot using our test coffee. It's going to be the first 8 seconds. It's going to be pre-infusion. And as you can see, it's going up to the 9 bar. It's going to stop right there. Might push over 9, but it's looking steady at 9. And that's giving us our shot. And there is a single for you. Really good shot. Then we're going to test the hot water. And that's working well. Then we are going to test steam. A little water comes out first, and then after that, it's looking good. And that's about everything with this Breville. Thank you for the repair. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.